Hi there, welcome to the AddEvent YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk through how to add an AddEvent embeddable calendar to your WordPress account using our plugin. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is navigate on the left-hand side to the plugin section here and click Add New Plugin. If you don't already have the plugin, you can go ahead and search for AddEvent or embeddable calendar or events calendar list, something of that sort. And go ahead and find our little icon here. Once you get to this section, you'll see an Install Now button if you've not previously installed this. I've installed this plugin already, so that's why mine doesn't have that and mine is active. If you want to see more details and see the whole listing, you can absolutely click more details and it will show you lots of good stuff. You can also, in the WordPress plugin directory, if you want to come from this angle, you can also search for us here instead of through your WordPress dashboard, and you have the same experience where you can see all of this jazz. Okay, jumping back into WordPress, let's go ahead and actually create a new post with this. And you can do a post, you can do a page, wherever you want to put this, it's totally fine. It should work everywhere that you'd like on your WordPress site. So I'm going to add upcoming events calendar. And I'm going to go ahead and add a block. So you can either hit the slash or click the plus sign. I'm going to go ahead and click the plus sign as such. It's going to show your most recently used blocks here. So if you've not used AddEvent's calendar plugin before, that is totally fine. It just won't show up right away. So just be sure you search AddEvent or calendar because the title of this is AddEvent Calendar. So easy to remember. Okay, then we will display our preview calendar for you guys. This is just an example of kind of like what a calendar could look like as, an easy way to tell that this is working for you. You're going to want to sort out the calendar ID here. If you're not sure how to find that, I'll walk you through the steps, but we also have some great help documentation on calendar IDs and all that good jazz. But in your AddEvent dashboard, you're going to want to navigate to your calendar detail page, which is what I'm looking at. I've just got a March Madness calendar, for example, and you're going to want to grab that second calendar ID. This one is not the correct one. You want this shorter one right here on the right. So I've grabbed that now, and let me just paste that into this calendar ID slot. And now we can see that my March Madness calendar is showing here. And the other thing that I want to point out is on the right-hand side, we've got all of these different toggles that you can select. If you want to turn off, for example, the previous and next buttons, or if you want to turn off the print option, you absolutely can. I would say I would highly recommend leaving the, subscribe button, because people can subscribe to your calendar and they can add their entire your entire calendar to their calendar. It's basically like a feed. So I would always recommend leaving that on. Anyway, that's how you go ahead and add the AddEvent calendar and go ahead and publish it as you see fit. Hopefully this was helpful. Please feel free to leave any reviews and comments and reach out to our support team at support@addevent.com if you have any questions that this didn't answer. Thanks so much and have a good one. Bye.